Hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing video because I just got this in the mail. It literally just came in. It's still cold because it's so cold outside. But anyway, I wanted to get a drawing tablet. I need scissors. I wanted to get a drawing tablet, and so I looked into it a little bit. And I decided that the Wacom ones, Wacom, however you say that, is way too expensive. And so I went with this. It's a Huion, I don't know if that's how you say it, but Huion H610 Pro. But anyway, let's just break it open. And hopefully in the future I'll be using this either for videos or just for fun. If I can get it open. There we go. Alrighty. Alright. Got a little thank you note. Not a whole lot to it. Alright. Now here's the good stuff. This is the tablet. Wow. It actually feels pretty nice. I didn't think that this was like actually metal, but it feels like kind of a aluminum texture. I'll let you see that there. But it's got a 10x6 drawing area and quite a few different buttons here that you can also program. But it feels a little bit heavier than I expected, but probably just because this is more like an aluminum than I thought. But overall, it feels pretty good. It's really thin, you can kind of see. But let's see what else we got in here. Let's see. Looks like a art glove. I'm not really sure why these are things, but maybe like for lead when you're drawing, you don't get it all over yourself. But come on, that's part of the fun. Ugh. See, I can barely even get it on anyway. Yeah, that just looks dumb to me, but that's in there if you want that. And I think that this is like a carrying case for it. Looks like it. It's actually pretty nice. Put that in there real quick. Yeah, it works pretty well. If you want to take it somewhere and just have it a little bit better protected. Alright, that looks pretty good. Has a big Huion logo on there. Let's see, what else do I got in here? Oh, we got CD with probably drivers and installation stuff on it, but we don't need that because my computer doesn't even have a CD-ROM. Alright, and then user tablet and graphic tablet. I don't know what the difference is. This looks like it's in not English. This side is. I guess it's kind of installation guides. Alright, but anyway, let's get to the other stuff that's a lot cooler. This looks like it's a pen stand. You just kind of have that. Sit that on your table and you can put it there. I don't know how useful it is, but I guess we'll see. And then it looks like these are little nubs for the pen. And it gets stored in there, which is actually pretty nice. Alright, and then this looks like it's the cable to plug in the tablet. And this looks like it's the charging cable for the pen. Unfortunately, the pen needs to be recharged, but I think that'll work fine. Especially if you just kind of leave it in there while it's plugged in, and you'll be fine. Alright, and then finally to the pen. Actually feels pretty nice. I thought that it might be too light because there's not really a battery or anything in there, but it feels pretty good actually. It's got a little pen cap got a nub with it, and 2 buttons right there. Alright, well, thanks for watching. That's all this video really was, but if you have any questions or comments or whatever, or suggestions for upcoming videos, that would be great. Alright, see you guys in the next one.